Josh Burdine, Rockstar Realty, doing something new. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out every week and I'm going to find the best deal in this market, Lee County basically. So you may want to rent it, you may want to flip it. We'll talk about that each week real briefly. But I want you to know that if you see a property on my channel here, please call me. Let's talk about it. I'll connect you with the property. That's why I'm doing this, because I want to sell more homes. I want to help more people find success and wealth in real estate. So this is where we are this week. I got behind me, this is originally a 1925 property, so it's older, it's wood frame, it's elevated with a wood floor. It comes with a triple lot here, and you have a home that, although it's pretty beat up with some good renovation, it can be a rental property right away, turning cash on this project. And then you got 2 vacant lots. Maybe you can look at doing something else, a new build of sorts with some duplexes or single family homes, small single family homes. So let me show you around the property. As you can see over here too, these are the 2 additional vacant lots. Nice sized lots, deep. They go way back. Everything's open. So this is the house here. It is boarded up. None of the windows are actually broken out, but they just have the boards on there for safety to keep them from getting broken. All right, come on, let's go inside. So we're coming in from the back. You have a laundry room with a half bath here. It looks like there's been some upgrades in the property. To the right, this is another just sort of like room. Again, galley kitchen here. And this is really cute. It's a really cute house, actually. It can be a great rental income generator. But the price on the house is $50,000. So this house can be bought for $50,000 cash. And I know right now as it stands, it's a 2-bedroom, half bath, but I think you could probably be converted into a 2-2. And this, you could potentially be making about $1,000 a month on this home. So again, this would be considered, the floor is pretty uneven in here too. So again, just some repairs underneath of the tiles, some new floors. Yeah, so again, this is the master, a little bit of work here, but listen, I'm Josh Burdine, Rockstar Realty. This is my deal of the week. Call me. I'm going to flash my number down below, 239-229-5732. This is a nice investment property. You could be turning in some cash pretty quickly with this. And again, the upside potential of the lots next door. Okay, so when we look at these type of properties, we're looking at, would this be a great rental property? Would this do better as a fix and flip? I'm gonna say, from first glance, this is a great rental property. That's my pick on this one. And again, give me a call. Let's talk about what we can do with this property.